What's good, YouTube? My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech, a little bit of sneakers, and anything creative. Today, we're gonna talk about the 5 things I hate about my Galaxy Watch. Yes, I said that. The 5 things that I hate about my Galaxy Watch. Now, you know I don't hate this watch, but there are some things about it that would make it a better, more complete watch. And also, one of these is for you guys. It's not really my hate, but it's a hate that I've seen from a lot of you, so I'm gonna speak up for you as well. Let's get into it. So the first thing that I hate about the Galaxy Watch, it does not come in an all black version. Now, Samsung, I think you so honestly, Samsung, I think you cut a lot of people out by not giving the all black version. The all black Gear S3, the Frontier version, I think that was a huge favorite among the people. Now, maybe you sold a lot of classics, I don't know. The all black everything is definitely like, that's the one. And I wish you would have given us an all black everything 46mm Galaxy Watch. Yeah. Now, the second thing that I hate about the Galaxy Watch is it's not true Bixby. I'm sorry to break it to you. This is not true Bixby. Now, what do you mean by that? Yes, when you hit the talk function and you speak to it, the Bixby logo shows up. But it looks very, very familiar. It looks and functions similarly to S-Voice. Now, to Samsung's credit, it is so much better than what S-Voice was. The way that it picks up what I say, it does very, very well. So I'm gonna dock you. You gotta get a flag penalty because this is like S-Voice rebranded as Bixby as opposed to being actually Bixby. Now, someone, I think in my comment section, said that true Bixby is coming. We'll see. The third thing that I hate about this here Galaxy Watch is it's not a true iOS integration. Yes, it's compatible with iOS. Yes, you can use this watch with an iPhone. I used my Gear S3 with an iPhone for a while. But there's a caveat to that. You can get the Gear app from the App Store. Thank you, Apple, for allowing that. But going any further than that, it really strips a lot of the true capabilities of this smartwatch. Now, yes, you'll get all your notifications. They look nice. They come through really well. It interacts for the main use of a smartwatch, which I think is notifications and obviously like time and reading all that. But you lose a lot of things. The Samsung Health, you don't get that. You lose Samsung Pay. And you can't reply on your smartwatch. You can't answer calls on your smartwatch. You can answer them, but you have to pick up the phone to speak. Like on Android, I can literally talk through the Galaxy Watch. So that is a caveat when you use iOS and the Samsung Gear or Galaxy watches. And it's kind of unfortunate because these watches look great. They look really good, but I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's Apple's behalf or Samsung's behalf. Obviously, Apple wants you to use an Apple Watch with an Apple iPhone. We all know how Apple rolls. And, you know, I'm pretty sure Samsung's the same way. They want you to use a Samsung phone with their Samsung watch. Anyways, we're not gonna go any further on that. I got a video that I put up about the Gear S3 and how Apple killed it. And then I'm gonna do a follow-up video showing you like the true actual functions that you get on iOS when I get this year's iPhone XS, whatever it's called. The fourth thing that I hate about this here Galaxy Watch, it has to do with when you are able to respond to a text message on Android, or you know what I mean, you can do that. The way you respond, the typing, it's not intuitive to me. I really want the Swype Keyboard where you have a full keyboard and you swipe, you know, the same way I use the Gboard and so forth. When I had Android Wear, formerly known as Android Wear, now Wear OS, there is a Swype Keyboard in there and it is the best thing for replying to text messages or just writing anything on a smartwatch. I think that's the best way to do it. Now, Samsung has this way where you start like writing each individual letter, and then it gives you suggestions at the top, and you can tap the suggestion. It works, it's just not intuitive. The whole writing and then tapping up top, that does not work as well and as fast as having a Swype keyboard. So I said this on my Gears 3 5 things I hate. I'm gonna say it here on my Galaxy Watch 5 things I hate. And I hope, Samsung, you listen to me and get me a Swype keyboard. Now, the fifth and final thing that I hate about the Galaxy Watch, I'm doing this one for the community. I'm doing this for y'all. There's no MST technology. Now this, for me personally, I don't need it. I'm okay without it. But a lot of you in my comment section express your dislike for the fact that there is no MST on the Galaxy Watch. And I feel you, because MST, what it can do is actually dope. You know, you really come out looking like James Bond. When you open that joint, they're like, yo, we don't take Apple Pay. We can't woo. When you hit boop, and you just shut all that up. They looking dumbfounded, grab your joint, walk out, and they can't figure out what happened or how you did that. Now you looking like a CIA super triple X 00 agent. Well, no, not the triple X. Now you looking like a CIA super 0012 agent and so forth. But realistically, I know and you know that MST is gonna fade out, but I feel you, and I'm here for the community, so I'm gonna speak up for the community at number 5 and say that no MST is something that I'm gonna say we hate about the Galaxy Watch. I don't really hate it. I'm okay without it, and but I speak for the people. That was the 5 things that I hate about the Galaxy Watch. I wanted to keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point, kind of give you a little heads up and context about some of the hiccups that you might run into with the Galaxy Watch. Some of these things might help you pick and decide and so forth. So my name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech, a little bit of sneakers, and anything creative. Smash that sub button, smash that like button. The 5 things that I hate about the Galaxy Watch. This is how you get a YouTube thumbnail, you know what I mean? It's like, you know, I gotta look upset. I gotta believe, they gotta believe this. Hopefully I got it. Peace.